Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best football paper plates is probably one of the most essential items for any football-themed party or gathering, adding a fun and thematic touch to your food service while ensuring convenience and easy cleanup. These plates are designed to impress your guests, making your event memorable and stress-free, allowing you to focus on enjoying the game and the company rather than worrying about washing dishes. They are perfect for serving snacks, appetizers, or even full meals, bringing the excitement of the game right to your table. Number 5. Football Party Supplies Kit for 24. Get ready for the ultimate football celebration. This all-in-one kit is designed to serve up to 24 guests, making your party planning a breeze. Our pack includes dinner plates, dessert plates, cups, napkins, a festive banner, and a touchdown-themed tablecloth. Everything you need to set the perfect football atmosphere. The design is inspired by the football field itself, featuring yard numbers and football patterns to create an immersive gaming atmosphere for your event. Forget about washing dishes. This disposable tableware set lets you spend more time with your guests and less time on cleanup. It's the perfect solution for any football party. Perfect for birthday parties, game day celebrations, tailgates, or any sports event. Elevate your decorations with these themed essentials. Our partyware is made with durable, thick cardboard and printed with food-grade inks. You can enjoy your celebration knowing it's both reliable and eco-conscious. What we like. This set is designed to serve a larger group of 24 people, making it ideal for bigger parties or gatherings. The plates are made of thick cardboard with a film lamination, ensuring they can hold more food without bending. If you're hosting a substantial football party and need reliable tableware that can handle a crowd, this is a great choice. What people say. These plates are a great addition to any football-themed party, featuring a vibrant and eye-catching design. The plates are sturdy and hold up well, even with heavier foods, making them practical for serving guests. The size of the plates is perfect for snacks and desserts, fitting comfortably on a table without taking up too much space. Number 4. Deluxe Football Theme Party Supplies Set. Get ready for the ultimate football party experience. This set has everything you need to host an amazing celebration for up to 20 guests. We've got you covered with 20 dinner plates, 20 dessert plates, 20 cups, and 20 napkins. Plus, 2 large table covers to set the scene. Don't let cleanup stress you out. Our disposable tableware makes tidying up a breeze, so you can focus on enjoying the game and your guests. Make your next football-themed event a memorable one. It's perfect for birthdays, game days, or any occasion that calls for team spirit. Ideal for fans of all ages, this set brings excitement and convenience to any gathering. It's great for parties, barbecues, and more. Enjoy ultimate convenience without sacrificing style. This pack is designed to make your celebration easy and fun for everyone. What we like. This deluxe set is perfect for those who prioritize a hassle-free party experience. It includes everything needed for 20 guests, and the disposable nature means no post-party dishwashing. If you're looking for a convenient way to host a memorable football-themed birthday or game day, this pack simplifies everything. What people say. The plates are sturdy and hold up well to food. The football design is very cute and festive. These plates are a great size for snacks and desserts. Number 3. Football Party Supplies Bundle for 24. Get ready for the ultimate football party. This all-in-one set is designed to serve up to 24 guests, making your celebration a guaranteed win. Our comprehensive bundle includes plates in 2 sizes, napkins, and forks, totaling 96 pieces. It's everything you need to add excitement to any football-themed birthday. Featuring cool football-themed elements, these decorations create an immersive festival atmosphere. The design perfectly captures the spirit of sports and is a hit with everyone. Spend less time cleaning and more time celebrating. This set is designed for convenience, allowing you to enjoy the party with your guests from start to finish. Perfect for birthdays or any sports-themed gathering, they seamlessly complement other football decorations. Create a cohesive and memorable party environment. Make your next birthday party a spectacular event. This set provides the perfect foundation for creating cheerful memories that will last a lifetime. What we like. This bundle offers a comprehensive solution for 24 guests, even including forks, which is a nice addition. With 96 pieces in total, it provides excellent value and ensures you have all the essentials for a fun football birthday party. If you want a complete set with cutlery included and are hosting a party for 24, this bundle is a fantastic option. What people say. These plates are sturdy and hold up well to food. The football design is very cute and festive. Great for a football-themed party. Number 2. Football Party Supplies Kit for 24 guests. Get ready for the ultimate football party. This kit has everything you need to celebrate game day with up to 24 guests. Serve your favorite game day snacks on our large, football-shaped plates and fun dessert plates. Plus, we've got you covered with matching cups for all your drinks. Keep things clean with our themed napkins, perfect for any touchdown celebration. And, a festive banner to set the mood. Protect your table and add to the football fun with our disposable touchdown tablecloths. They're perfect for any tailgate or viewing party. Immerse your guests in the game day spirit with designs inspired by the football field. It's the perfect way to create an engaging atmosphere for any celebration. Make your party pop with our Multicolor Fiesta collection. These eye-catching designs capture the excitement of game day and will impress all your guests. Whether it's a birthday or a big game, these supplies add festivity and help create lasting memories. Elevate your game day and make your party the highlight of the season. What we like. This kit stands out with its large, football-shaped dinner plates, adding a unique and fun element to your celebration. It's designed for 24 guests and includes a comprehensive set of decorations. If you want to make a bold statement with your partyware and create an authentic football atmosphere, especially for a tailgate or birthday, these unique plates are a must-have. What people say. These plates are sturdy and hold up well to food. The football design is very cute and festive, perfect for a party. They are a good size for snacks and desserts. Number 1. Multicolor Football Fiesta Paper Dinner Plates. Get ready for game day with these vibrant, eye-catching plates. Their colorful design is sure to impress your guests and capture the fun spirit of any celebration. Made from high-quality paper, these dinner plates offer strength and sturdiness for all your party foods. They are also environmentally friendly and easy to dispose of for a hassle-free cleanup. This pack of 8 plates ensures there's enough for everyone to enjoy appetizers, meals, and snacks. They are ideal for gatherings of all sizes, big or small. Whether you're hosting a football viewing party or a sports-themed birthday, these versatile plates will enhance the atmosphere. They help create a memorable experience for any athletic event. Upgrade your game day setup with these stylish and functional plates. They are the ultimate addition to your sports-themed decor, making your party the talk of the town. What we like. These plates are all about vibrant style and durability for smaller gatherings. The multicolor design is eye-catching and perfect for adding a festive touch to any sports-themed event. If you're looking for stylish, sturdy plates for a game day viewing party or a smaller birthday celebration and want your tableware to be a conversation starter, these are a great choice. What people say. These plates are sturdy and hold up well, even with messy foods. The football design is very cute and festive, perfect for a game day party. They are a good size for snacks and desserts. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.